You can't wait to see the outcome of my crunchy meat pie. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see what is going on there, guys. Come on, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, guys. My link is pinned on my Facebook. Still Adu Ghana South. My YouTube channel, Adu Ghana South. Guys, you can't wait to test this meat pie. This is so crunchy. I love crunchy meat pie, guys. You can't wait to test my meat pie. I will show you guys the outcome of my meat pie, guys. Mwah.